Alright, so from our last video, we've marked all our seams and we've taken care of our transforms for our meshes and objects. So we're good. Now we can focus on the UV unwrapping. So let's see how we do that. Alright, go down here and stretch this out. Select the image editor, right? And then also here where you can see the double-sided, select right click, vertical split, and split this up and do UV editor. So on the actually shade editor, my bad, on the shade editor right here, select, actually no, before we do that, but yes, do these two things. Select your body, select all your shapes. Take this out, the front view, you don't need that right now. But yeah, so all your objects meshes. All right, press the head, go to materials, cat material. Sorry, that's way out of order. But yeah, the first thing you need to do is select the head, but you can select any of those bodies, and create a material here from the properties. Once you have that, you need to link that material to all of them. In other videos, we might do multiple materials, but for now, we're going to do one material to cover everything. So select the head, materials added. Now select all the other parts. Alright, good. Make sure your lights and camera are not selected and press, I think, L, or is it M? No. Shift L. Yeah, Shift L. Select linked. No, Shift L. Control L. Yeah, and then link materials. So now go to materials. Oh, object. So what's supposed to happen is that once you select everything here and then do Control M, Control L, link materials, every single object that you have is gonna have the same material, and it worked. Cool. All right, now go to the shade editor down here and press Shift A, go to search, image, texture, put it right here, link the color to the base color, and press new. What you're going to do is 1024 is fine, or 2048. Entirely up to you. We're going to do 2048 because it's a little more. And then we can do, instead of blank, we're going to do UV grid, and that's good. So click OK. Then select all of the objects. Make sure, yep, good. All right, we don't have to worry about the camera. All right, and press U. That's weird. Yeah, press U. What's going on? All right. Oh, sorry. Press Tab, Edit Mode, select Face Mode, press A for everything, then press U, then do Unwrap instead of UV Unwrap. And there it is. Whoa, that is a huge mess. All right. I'm not sure where some of these things are coming from. But yeah, that's our UV Unwrap. I'm just not sure where all these issues are coming from, but it looks good for the most part. um, all right, so select everything, go to UV and do pack Icelands, and it'll pack everything correctly. So if you want to move things around, select any part of it and then press L. So then press G, like that. Oh, we might have to go back. Okay, press the boob shading, tab mode. Oh, as you can see, everything is super stretch. So let's go back. Tab, edit mode, A. UV Unwrap. Okay, that is where our face is, and our ears. That's good. Okay, that's not bad. And let's see, our tab, object, go to the eyes, edit mode, press A, do some UV Unwrap here so our eyes are fine. Let's see, I guess this is one way to fix our stretching, and let's do that for everything else. I'm sure this is probably not the best way to do it, but it is working, so let's go with that. Okay, then go to object mode, let's check the body, edit, A, UV Unwrap, closer, nice as well, no stretching, and then tab, object mode, edit mode, A, U, unwrapped, it's all good, and tab, object, do the pants, tab, edit mode. Oh, we might have forgotten to, what do you call it, finish off the mirror, applying the mirrors, which might have affected the UV stuff. So let's A, U, unwrap. Yep, that's probably definitely what's happened. Okay, so that object, press those pants, go to the modifier, apply, let's go and find any mirror modifier and apply it. So head, eyes, so we don't have to worry about this. So go back to the pants after we've finished up the applying the mirror modifier, and press A, U, UV unwrap. Oof. Okay, so press this L here on the UV editor and press S, and this will help increase the resolution on our pans so that things are less stretched out. Yeah, it's not too bad. But definitely can see why we're having issues. Alright, so now with all that kind of fixed, let's see, tab, object, hands, body, edit mode, A, U, UV unwrap, okay, L, O S. That's fine. L. All right, sweet. It's not bad. Okay, press tab, object, and then press tab, edit. Actually, press object, then select everything again. Make sure that's all selected. Cool. All right. Then tab, edit mode, A, and see everything looks way nicer. Then UV Unwrap. As you can see, all our meshes are much nicer. So this is another thing you can do is if your object doesn't look great, your UV Unwrap doesn't look great, do UV Unwrap for each one, then go back and do it for all of them together, and it should get you a better result. All right, and then with that all selected, select all of that or press A, then UV pack islands, and so it'll orient everything a little better for you. All right, then take this off. Actually, let's stop here. So this is your UV unwrapping. This is what you want to get to. In the next video, I'll show you from this point on how to set up for the color mapping and how to color things. How to color different parts of the body, do some like hand painting stuff like that. So yeah, let's do that. That'll make it easier and splitting things up. So I hope that helps. I'm sorry if I confused in the beginning, but this is this is a workflow we're gonna learn, and hopefully you learn how to do these things better than me. Look for my mistakes. So again, thank you for listening, and until next time.